Step number 1, log into the website that will page you to watch advertisement. Step number 2, watch the most popular ads. Step number 3, collect your cash straight into your bank account. Hey, welcome back. This is Business Boy. Now before I show exactly how to earn $4 every 30 seconds, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video. Make sure to subscribe and click the little notification bell next to it so that I can alert you on the latest way of making money online. But check this out right over here. If you don't follow the exact step throughout the entire video, then result like my procedure will definitely not be possible for you. So make sure to stick all the way through and do not skip over any of the steps. Now the 3 steps of earning $4 every 30 seconds for watching ads are: step number 1, I am going to revealing the top platform that is paying people to watch advertisement. Step number 2, we'll be showing the other way of earning on this site and you can create additional streams of income. And the step number 3, I am going to showing you how to get other people to watch ads for you on this site so that you can earn on autopilot. And let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So that you go to the site, they're paying people to watch ads, and this site is called Paidverts, PAIDVERTS. Connect, click and earn, discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time. So it's easily literally 3.6 million registered users on this site that are earning money, and they even have a mobile app that you can download in the from the Apple Play Store and from Google Play Store, and they paid over $9.2 million to the members. Very easy to get started with this site and very reputable. So once you log in, you are gonna register for a free account. I will gonna take you to the dashboard right here. There's a lot of different places to click. Now I am going to show you exactly the top 3 places to click to earn the most money. So the first thing, you are gonna click on games. This is the very first method, not the highest paying method, but definitely there's a game that are pretty high, and I'm going to show you the next 2 methods, which is watching ads through you. We are going to click on the games and going to take us right over here. Now when you scroll down, they are giving away which is called BAPs. These BAPs can be transferred into dollars. Now you like this game right here, pays you 1 BAP, definitely don't want to play that. We are gonna scroll down, and if you can see this game, this is paying 400 BAPs right here. So that you are gonna play this game and earn amount of at least a large amount of money. At least it's not the wastage of time, and you get 400 BAPs that you could exchange into dollars for. Now let's go ahead and go over to the next way of earning, which is PTC wall. So this is pay to click walls. Literally they are going to pay you to click on these mini advertisements. Sometimes it leads to a website, you just have to click and you earn and you can pay out very small, as you can see, very small, but they are easy to do. You literally just click on this, booms, open up a page. Click on this, booms, open up a page, and you do all of these and then refresh the page, and you can do just all of over again. So this is something you could do in your spare time while you're eating, while you are taking a break from work, to earn a little bit of extra income. So that is where you can gonna do to the next page is paid ads, where you will going to click on the paid ads up here in the right hand corner, and then going to take up the actual advertisement that are going to pay you 8 BAPs, which you could exchange into dollars. Alright, you will just view activation ads. View activation ads, you are going to click on all of these, and then you can claim your back rewards. As you can see right here, your current web reward is plus 32. So I could claim it right here, and booms, go straight into my account, and then I get paid out in many different ways. As you can see here on the bottom right corner, there are payment methods which are Payer, Pfizer, Perfect Money, Right, PayPal, and that kind of stuff. Web money on different ways of getting paid out to the bank account. And but there's a way here to get out. Actually log in and start watching ads for you, and so that you can earn on autopilot. You are sleeping or doing whatever you love to do, or going to be others people on the internet that are doing these things for you, and you are going to earn a percentage of their income. So where you are going to get is, you are going to up right hand corner right here, where it is same my name, and you are going to refer and refer friends, and that's going to take up right here. Now as you can see, this is special referral link. Anyone of the friend register and for a free account and start watching ads and earning money. I am gonna earn 5% of whatever they earn. So let's do the math. Here I pull up a calculator. Okay, we can say that just we get out 10 people to click on the link, and every single people collectively earn monthly about $2,000 collectively between the 10 peoples. Okay, and then the $2,000 can be divided into going to times, and that 0.05, because that's we are going to earn, so we can get $100 in completely passive income. We didn't have to work for it. Other people's were working and watching the ads for you, and we are earning on autopilot. This is called affiliate marketing. Now this is exactly what we are gonna do and I'm going to show you where you can share your link. Okay, right here, this is going to link gonna app pop up here, and right here you want to share it and get thousands of people to register and start watching ads for you on autopilot. Now you are gonna do is you are gonna to take this link, and okay, we are going to first place, and this is Facebook. Right here when I search make money online, then I went groups and toggle the public groups. So there are so much groups on the making money online, and right now I could literally just click on and join. Okay, so like this group here, thousands of members. This one also has thousands of members because make money online post affiliate, and you should simply have to do the make a post on make money online and paste your affiliate link. That allows you to post your affiliate link, like this guy right here is posting his link to the site, and that exactly we are going to do. We are gonna do the same thing as this person and get thousands of people click on your link. In the group we have access to thousands of people. Okay, so the number one way, and by this method you can make a lot of money, doing this little side hustle like this one I showed you to make a little bit of money. I knew these ways are not gonna make me rich. You definitely make a couple $100, maybe a few $100, or doing what I should show you. It's not gonna make you rich. So I knew that it had learned to build a passive income online, and purely passive income, it has been able to make you some of your vacations. So take advantage of this video and get started on making money online as soon as possible. In my opinion, this is one of the quickest method to get started making money online and establish up your passive income stream. That's it. If you like the similar content like this, take a look round up on my other videos. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any other further questions, feel free to comment down below. I will see you in the next video.